Hi, I'm Rachel, Product Manager at LifeStraw, and I'm here today to walk you through how to interact and use your squeeze systems. And to do so, I'm going to walk you through what to expect when you open your 1 liter squeeze bag box. There is a user care manual in here, which is nice to keep on hand in case you have any questions about the product. And then you're also going to be able to see your bag, and you just take the cap off to pull the bag out, and you can throw that back on. And also included in the box is going to be the backwash syringe, which is going to help you keep your filter clean and prolong its life. So the filter is compatible with both sizes of the squeeze bag, so 650 ml and 1 liter, as well as the 3 liter and 8 liter system. Additionally, it can be suited for both the inside of the bag and on the outside. And what's great is that you can also remove the filter and use the squeeze bag as a storage system in and of itself. When you're ready to use your squeeze system, you can just unscrew the top cap, fill it with water from a fresh water source, put the top cap back on, and then from there you can unscrew the top and use it as you would a bottle by pulling 5 strong sips of water through to kind of activate the membrane and get the water flowing. Or you can use it as a squeeze system and squeeze through the mouthpiece into a cup or container at your campsite. When you're done, you can just screw the top cap back on to prevent any leaking. And a reminder that in order to promote longevity and performance with the filter, it's important to do regular backwashing. And you can do so by using the backwash syringe provided with the product. So you're just gonna screw that on to the top threading. And I'm gonna use a cup of water to demonstrate, but you're going to pull water into the membrane and then push it all back out. And again, that will help improve filter longevity and performance over time. When you're done using your squeeze bag and you need to store it for longer than a month, we recommend using a salt solution to do so. So to do that, we're going to first make our salt solution. And to do so, you're going to take about a cup of water and mix about a teaspoon of salt into it. Then we're going to take the filter out of our squeeze bag and attach it to the backwash syringe and pull that salt solution into the membrane. We're going to then unattach the syringe, reattach it to our cap, and put it into the bag. Before you do that though, we do recommend pouring the rest of the salt solution into the bag to keep the membrane saturated. Always good to have an extra bowl or towel on hand while you're doing this. And then you just put the cap back on and you're good to store it. Again, that salt solution is going to keep the membrane saturated, keep it from drying out, and will also prevent mold and algae growth. When you're ready to pull it back out again, you can just empty out the salt solution from the bag, fill it with clean water, and then you can use the squeeze system to either squeeze the water back out, or you can use the backwash syringe to backwash the salt solution out of the filter. You may notice a salty taste the first couple times you drink from it, but that will go away after time. So these videos are meant to be just general usage, care, maintenance, daily tips and tricks for using your squeeze system. But if you have any other questions that we didn't cover, feel free to shoot us an email.